We were talking, that is myself and David Webb, who's Chief Pharmaceutical Officer, about the 10-year plan and what it means for the sector. And primarily we were recognising the huge amount of work that has happened across the last few years in developing and expanding the clinical services portfolio that community pharmacies offer. That has placed us in a position where we are both recognised in the 10-year plan as being a sector where there's an enormous ambition and potential for further delivery, but we've also were recognising the challenges that the pharmacy sector faces today and how we make sure we navigate those challenges at the same time as starting to deliver on that level of ambition. And so we are kind of plotting out, as far as we can right now, given the 10-year plan's only a few months old, some of the next steps and opportunities that we think we can, together with the sector, grab hold of to make the next couple of years as exciting as the last couple. There's a few things that will be happening over the next 12 months which I think will be really important. So the first is we've got to deliver on the early promise and the work that we've done to enable prescribing in the sector. It's a huge burning platform. We've got new people coming through the education and training program next year, and if we don't get that right, we risk losing pharmacists who could do brilliant work in the sector to other parts of the NHS. And actually we've demonstrated through the Pathfinder program that's been running over the last 12 months that there's a huge amount that pharmacy teams can do when enabled by prescribing to resolve a patient's condition, a patient's need, without them having to go anywhere else. 97% of the episodes of care that we have captured through the Pathfinder program didn't result in the patient having to go back to their general practice. That's where we want to be. General practice is under pressure. We need all different bits of primary care to work together. So I think that's the main thing. We also have got a huge amount of opportunity around digital and technical development as well. We've reached a great stage through the journey of the last couple of years with Pharmacy First and other services where we have the vast majority, 90% plus of pharmacies delivering all of the key services that are now part of the National Contractual Framework. We've accompanied that with a series of digital and technological advances that now allow pharmacies to speak to different parts of the system, to update the GP record, to access the record where they need to, and to make the referral process much slicker. That again provides a jumping off moment for the next set of digital development, and we've done work already to launch the new supplier framework that will come on stream next year to help expand the digital portfolio in the market and to bring the infrastructure that the pharmacy system relies on to a modern, everyday standard. So we're trying to catch up with our GP colleagues, and hopefully we'll get there over the next couple of years.